Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Ola here. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a simple formula that could help you make money online even if you're starting from scratch. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through step by step the formula I use in making $100 a day with affiliate marketing, with one of the secret strategies I'm going to be sharing with you right here in this video. So before I literally dive into the video, let me quickly show you something right here real quick. So you guys could see right here, this is a balance of $300 right here on my screen, and I was able to make this money using affiliate marketing. So right here I'm going to be reloading the screen right here to tell you this is not some screenshot or some whatever. So I'm going to be clicking on the reload button right here, and you can see right here it's done reloading. And the reason I'm showing you guys this is to tell you right here what I'm about to teach to you guys right here is something I've done for myself and something that has worked for me. So right now let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do right here is to find a product or services to promote. To make money online, you need a product or a service. So in order to make money as an affiliate marketer right here, the first thing you need to do right here is to focus on solving other people's problems. So you need to find a product or a service that you know that could solve people's problems. And in order for you to find this kind of product right here, all you need to do is to head over to any affiliate marketing website or any affiliate marketing program right here to go search for any kind of product that you know that could solve people's problem. And also there are various platforms right here that you could find different kind of product and services to promote. Number one right here, you could use JVZoo affiliate marketing program, you could use Amazon affiliate marketing program, you could use ShareShield affiliate marketing program. But for the purpose of this video right here, I'm going to be focusing on this affiliate marketing program called Stay Cut right here. And the reason I'm focusing on this program is because this program is literally available right here in Nigeria. So if you're an affiliate marketer right here, my best advice is to choose the kind of platform that works in your country. And the reason I'm choosing this platform is because this platform right here accepts Nigerians right here in my country, and also it's going to be paying me in dollars, and also it's going to be giving me the ability right here to select any kind of different currency I want. So if I could choose to like get paid in naira, I could also choose like get paid in dollars. And also this platform is going to be accepting you right here anywhere you are in Africa. So you could just head over to the platform right here to see if your country right here is being listed right here on this website. So the first thing you need to do right here is to create an account. If you know you haven't created an account for yourself, all you need to do right here is just click on this claim a free account for yourself. So once you click on the claim a free account for yourself right here, it's going to take you right here to this next page right here, where they're going to ask you right here to fill out your first name, your last name, your email address, and you're going to be confirming your password right here. So all you need to do right here is to just click on the sign up with your email account. So once you're done with that right here, your account is going to be created. So for me right here, I already have my account right here, so I'm going to be signing in into my account right now. Once you're done creating your account right here, this is how your account is going to look like. You're going to see your name right here, and also you're going to be seeing the total amount of money you made right here on the website. So all you need to do right here is to head over to the marketplace right here. So all you need to do is to click on this menu bar right here. So once you click on the menu bar right here, it's going to take you over to their marketplace, and you can see right here, just click on the marketplace right here. So once you click on the marketplace right here, you're going to see different kind of product and services you could promote right here on the website right here. And the reason I love this website is this website always gives the affiliate marketers some rewards. So if you're an affiliate marketer that makes the more amount of sale right here on their platform, they're going to be giving you a cash prize of $1,000. They're also going to be giving you car and also some fancy things right here just to compensate the affiliate marketer. So right here, that's the reason why I love the platform. And also apart from that right here, they have other different kind of product and services you could promote, from affiliate marketing, you know, to a lot of product right here. All you need to do right here is to just, you know, you could find a bunch of affiliate products right here. You could find some video editing course, you know, affiliate income blueprints, and a lot of things right here. There's also ghostwriting. So you could just, you know, try to just fetch out the kind of products you're going to be promoting. So, and also you can also see their commissions right here. So they're going to be paying you 50% of the commissions right here. So let's just see, you can see right here, this product goes for $50 right here. So you're going to be getting 50% right here anytime you make a sales right here on this website. You can see right here, this product is going for $41, this product is going for $50, this product is going for $10, this product is going for $33, this product is going for $83 right here. So you could just, you know, try to figure out the kind of product you know you like to promote right here. So for me, I'm gonna be going with this video editing program right here. So I'm gonna be promoting this video editing training, because this course right here is gonna be teaching people right here how to edit videos. So to find the product you know you like to promote, all you need to do right here is just click on this promote button right here. So once you click on the promote button right here, you'll be able to grab your affiliate link. And also you're going to be seeing everything about the product, everything you need to know about the product, and also you're going to be seeing everything you need to know about the seller. And also you could also contact the seller right here in case you have, you know, you want to know about anything, or you just want, you know, to just get in touch with the seller right here. You could see the seller's details right here. So, and also you could also see their product page right here. That is their JVZoo page right here, where you could see, you know, some different kind of information about the product right here. So I'm going to advise you guys to just check that JVZoo page right here to know more about the product right here, because literally if you are promoting an affiliate product right here, the best thing to do right here is to know the kind of product you're going to be promoting, because this is going to give you a lot more opportunity right here to make a lot of sales as an affiliate marketer. So right here, I'm going to be viewing the JVZoo page right here to just see, you know, what the product is all about. Actually, I know what the product is all about, but I'm just telling you guys to always, you know, make sure you check the JVZoo page. You can see right here, this is it's also or give you some promotional materials you could use to promote the product. And that's the reason why I really love this program right here. You could also download some promotional materials right here, get access to some tools to promote the product, and also it's also gonna be giving you some sales copy right here. So for those of you running Facebook ads or YouTube ads right here and you need some sales copy right here, they're gonna be providing everything right here on this website right here. You can see right here I already know what this product is all about. Then after you're done going through their sales page, you also need to make sure to check the product page right here. So once you click on the product page right here, it's gonna take you straight up to the product page to see how the product page looks like. And you guys could see right here, this is the product page right here. So you could just try to, scroll down right here to see some information right here about the product. And you can see right here, the product also has some testimonial of those people that has gotten this course right here and have seen some results. You can see right here, these are people testimonials right here on this app. And that's the reason really why I love this platform right here, because everything you need as an affiliate marketer right here is already being given to you right here on this product right here. So right now I'm going to be grabbing my affiliate links right here. So all you just need to do right here to just click on this copy affiliate links right here. Then you're gonna be getting your affiliate link. So guys, after you already find the kind of product or services you like to promote, and also you've also gotten your affiliate links right here, the next thing to do right here is to set up your sales funnel right here. And we are gonna be using WhatsApp as our sales funnel. So you need to create a simple funnel right here using WhatsApp. So you need to craft the message about the product. You need to tell the people right here, like the people that are gonna be getting the product, the benefit of the product. You need to tell them every single thing they need to know about the product. Once you're done with all of this right here, right now we're gonna be moving up to the step 4 of this video right here, which is generating traffic right here. So we're going to be using the flow traffic right here for this. So if you know you're gotten any value from the video so far, all I just want you to do right here in return is just smash that subscribe button right here and like the video. And also if you know you have any question for me, feel free to go to the comment section right here and drop a comment. So I'm going to be answering all your questions. So guys, the reason I decided to use WhatsApp as our traffic source right here is because I know a lot of people right here cannot do without WhatsApp. And I'm going to say WhatsApp has a very kind of opening rate, about 88% opening rate right here, because know how you're going to send someone a message on WhatsApp and they're not going to reply to your DMs or to your text right here. So that's the reason why we're going to be leveraging on WhatsApp right here to promote our product. So once you're done with that right here, all you need to do right here is to grab some sales copy right here from Stay Cut Affiliate Marketing and start promoting them on your status. So you need to start sharing more light on the products you're promoting right here on your status. Tell people right here what the product is all about, what they're going to benefit after buying the product using your link. And also you could attract free traffic by just sharing your content right here in relevant group right here. You could also do broadcasting right here to different kind of groups right here that are interested in your product. So for me right here, I'm going to be promoting a video editing course, and I know everybody cannot do without video editing. Even as a content creator, you need video editing. As an individual, you need video editing, because literally a lot of people go on social media and they need to post video, they need to post pictures. So they need to learn how to edit this video right here. So they're going to be posting this video on social media, on TikTok, on Instagram right here. And that is the reason why the kind of product you're going to be promoting, you need to make sure the product is kind of beneficial right here to people. And also you leveraging on WhatsApp right here is going to give you the ability to make more sales, in sense of, because those people right here that are in your WhatsApp contact right here are kind of your friends, so they're going to trust you right here. You already have some trust with them. So once you tell them right here to go buy a certain product right here, they're going to go, because literally you guys have already built up some community right here. So after you have done with all of this right here, the next thing you need to do right here is to start closing your sales, because as people show interest right here in the product you're selling right here, or the product you're promoting to them, you need to be prepared right. So you need to start addressing their question right here using information from the sales page. Remember, it's about building connection right here and providing values. So closing sales is the final step right here to make money online. Guys, that's how you could literally make money as an affiliate marketer, following these simple easy steps I've shared with you right here in the video. So if you know you love the video right here, or you found the video helpful right here, consider giving the video a like and smash that subscribe button. And also, if you're interested in more affiliate content like this, all I just want you to do right here is to go over to the comment section and type yes. And also don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group for further insights right here about making money online. So if you know you haven't hit that bell icon, consider smashing this right here and turn on notification right here.